What's up, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome to another video with me, Alex. I have long dreamt being able to make this video I'm gonna share with you today, and hopefully this will shine some light on how much I actually make by you watching those ads. Thank you very much for watching them, by the way. And how much they actually benefit this channel. One of my ideas is to fly out a subscriber to Greenland to spend a little week here with me eventually when the revenue grows. So don't forget to watch the ads. It really helps the channel. But before we begin, we must address the elephant in the room, which is you not forgetting to hit the like button and subscribing if you haven't already. Thank you very much. To begin with, I want to lay out how you actually can make money by showing ads on your videos here on YouTube. If you have watched a lot of these videos, please feel free to skip this part because I know that what I'm about to say has been said a few times. So skip further out in the video. I will try to link something down below where I will actually begin to show the numbers. But it is quite simply Google, which actually owns YouTube, that has a platform called Google AdSense, where then they draw in advertisers that pays money in order to show ads in front of you or anybody else around the world, or just to get a message across to certain people in certain environments and in certain countries. And what Google is very good at is finding that exact person the advertiser is very interested in showing ads in front of, which is why depending on age and country, etc., you will get shown different ads depending on where you are in the world. In order for me to be eligible to show ads on my videos, I had to get 1,000 subscribers and then 4,000 hours of watch time, which is kind of a lot when I say it like this. But I did get those in May. And if you haven't watched that video, I will link it up here or there. So when you have reached those thresholds of 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time, you can be eligible to put ads on your videos. And once the ads are running and people are watching them, then you as the creator, you'll receive 55% of the revenue coming from the advertisers, and YouTube will take the 45%. So with that short explanation, let's just dive into my screen and let's dive into the magic of the YouTubes. Okay, up here we are gonna go into our YouTube studio, and then when all the internet from either Canada or Iceland has reached Greenland, then we will see something in here. Awesome. Alright, so this is the channel dashboard where you can see the videos you have posted and such. So what everybody wants to know is, how much did I make the first month on YouTube? Which was in June. So let's go and check the analytics. We have this wonderful feature, analytics, where basically I know everything, and I also know that I haven't been posting a video in a little while now. I'm sorry for that. But this is where we can see all the views as of the last 48 hours, almost 1,000, and all the 1,460 subscribers, which is more than a lot of towns in Greenland. And then we can see here with all the views in total. Wait, this is the last 28 days. So if we just want to go and check out for June, we head into June. And once we get into June, we can see that, we just hit this one, we can see that in the month of June I had 12,600 views, 734.5 watch hours. I got a lot of new subscribers. Welcome to the channel. My name is Alex. What is your name? Comment it down below and where you're from, please. And then we can see this magical number. The estimated revenue, which was $49, the first month of being monetized on YouTube. I can't believe. It's pretty nice. But bear in mind that this revenue is not taxed, so I have to pay taxes of those. So I'll receive probably half. And then we can see how much each day we were getting of views. We were getting 300, 500 after I posted a video in Illuset. And then 400, 400, 3, almost 600, 400. So you can see it goes up and down, up and down. The same with the subscribers. We can see gained 8, 6, 5, didn't gain any. And then here, kaboom. But what we want to know is, oh my god, all the money. And here it is. The 1st of June, I made $1.21. Then dipped down to under $1. But as they say, $1 a day. No, that's something else. That has something to do with health. But then you can just see it just goes on to $2 a day. And it just fluctuates during the days, up and down, up and down. Mostly the big spikes here right when I launch new videos, then more people come to watch those. Up and down, and then here, boom. But the funny thing with this huge spike is that a lot of you Americans, basically, you know Amazon, right? Yeah, I suppose you know Amazon. Well, everybody knows Amazon now. But this is the Amazon Prime Day, June 21st, and then 22nd, because it's a day delayed. So that's why I made more than $3 on those days, which is awesome. Basically, a lot of advertisers are trying to get people to buy a lot of stuff on Amazon Prime Day. So they have a lot of money to spend, try to get those people to buy more stuff, which is why they also increase their budgets for that particular day. And they do that over the whole of a full year. And from what and all the videos that I have been watching on how much people make on YouTube, on the ads, they're saying that during later in the year, where we're coming up towards Christmas and those days, holidays, then the advertisers will pay a crazy amount of money to be able to show people some things that they can buy to their kids. But to conclude, $49, almost $50 in the month of June, which is extremely awesome. But when we look at this dashboard, then we can see in the month of June, $49. And then we have an RPM and a CPM, where CPM is cost per mil, basically how much money the advertisers are paying to YouTube and Google for 1,000 watch ads. And for my case, then they are paying $9 for 1,000 views or 1,000 ad views. And those numbers, they also fluctuate. This is just an average, but they fluctuate up and down, up and down, up and down, around the $10 mark, sometimes dropping down. And then we can see Amazon Prime Day, boom, almost $20 per 1,000 views, which is awesome. But unfortunately, I don't get paid the CPM. I get paid what's here, the RPM, revenue per mil, which is the 55% of that. But you can see it's a little lower than 55% of $9. But that's because not everybody, unfortunately, not everybody watches the ads. So this is what I get paid on average in the month of June per 1,000 views, which is $3.88, which is kind of average, I guess. Not amongst the big finance channels, they have crazy RPMs, but this is pretty good. This is pretty good. And now we go towards one of my top earning videos, which, to no surprise, is the cost of living in Nuuk, Greenland. And that video has made me almost $15. And then the second one is the inside my house, has made me $11. And how it is to live in Greenland, which has made me $4. But that mostly boils down to all the views that I'm getting on these two, and then also kind of the genre and the audience that you are drawing to watch the videos. Yeah, we have where the revenue is coming from, because some people actually have YouTube Premium. Not a lot of people, as you can see, but that also gives me some money. So I think that was that for the month of June. I made a whopping $49.07. But how many views would I actually need in order for me to make, let's say, $10,000 a month? I will just do some math, so I might not look right into the camera, but that is at an RPM of $3.7 per 1,000 views. It would take me, in order for me to make $10,000 only on the ads, I would have to have 2.7 million views each month, which is a lot. I'll be getting around 12,000 at the moment. So the 2.7 million views each month, which broken down to per day is 90,000 views per day, which my average is right now around 460 some views per day. So I only need to 213x my current views and I will be receiving 10,000 US dollars each month only from the YouTube ad revenue, which seems pretty easy. And for flying one of you guys up here to spend a little week or a little longer maybe, and I have estimated a budget of roughly 8,000 US dollars, I would need a whopping 2.16 million views where everybody watches the ad and no one skips those sometimes a little annoying videos that you're watching. So a total of almost 50 US dollars per month in the month of June, and currently I am raking in a whopping 1 to 2 US dollars each day for basically having videos played on the YouTube server, which is definitely a very cool feeling, I'm not gonna lie. The numbers are small, but the emotions and the happiness is high. I can't tell how many times I have actually taken out my phone and start to look at the YouTube studio and going into the analytics to check how much money I have made the day before, because that's how my life goes. To clarify, I have not received the 50 US dollars yet because I have to reach a threshold, again threshold, but I have to reach a threshold of 100 US dollars in order for me to be able to even withdraw any money to my bank account. And then of course, because it is in US dollars, then I have to pay an exchange fee and also a withdrawal fee and definitely also a bank fee of some sort. Gotta love those banks. Of course, you can also make money in other ways here on YouTube. You have also the options of going into affiliate marketing. I think I might go into affiliate marketing sometime soon, if it makes sense for me. But yeah, the most easy affiliate marketing, which you probably know, is when people have their videos on YouTube and then down underneath the video they have some links which goes to show which phone I have. This is a Samsung Galaxy S7 Edge, and then I can link it down below and then people can go through that link and then they can buy it on Amazon, for example. But let's see how that goes. All I know is that I enjoy sharing my wisdom about Greenland, whilst also talking a little bit about money and investing. As you may or may not know, I have just gotten into some real estate, which is very, very exciting. So that's also a big part of who I am as a person. I also think one of the next step for this specific channel is for me to bring some people onto the channel. I think I will do some interviews once in a while with some people that I think also are interesting people that live here in Greenland, to have a little chat about mainly, you know, life in Greenland and how they're doing, and mostly business people, as I believe their businesses is an integral part of making Greenland better and also a lot wealthier. Plus it also helps to generate more tax revenue, as the new airport we are having built here in Nuuk and Ilulissat unfortunately needs a couple of $100 million more. What a surprise! So that was how much money I made in the month of June and the first month of being monetized on YouTube. Almost 50 bucks, which is basically a small dinner for 2 people. So it's not that significant in my own personal economy, but it is awesome anyways, as I have never had any sort of business per se before in my life, and this could potentially get bigger and better if I keep uploading videos that people actually enjoy and receive value from. If you like the videos, please don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you. I hope you will have an amazing summer. Please remember the sunscreen. Throw a question down below if you want to ask me something. Thank you. Alex over and out. Okay, bye.